In this short video, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can share your PowerPoint on Zoom. One way will be if you only have one screen, and the other way will be if you have 2 or more screens. So, first, if you only have one screen, such as your laptop, what you can do is in the normal view of your PowerPoint, you go to the Slideshow tab, and then go to Setup Slideshow in the Slideshow tab. Instead of the default presented by a speaker full screen, go to Browsed by an individual window. This will put your PowerPoint in a window that you can resize so that it doesn't take up your whole screen and you can have Zoom and the PowerPoint together on one. So I hit OK. And that will save it. So then I'm going to go from beginning, and you can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, I don't really want these black bars, so I can squish those down so all you see is the PowerPoint window. And of course you can resize anyway. You can pull on a corner to resize. So that's one way to keep it within the confines of one screen. And then you could advance slides by hitting the arrow key on your keyboard, or you can also hit the arrows within the PowerPoint as well. Now, how do you do it when you want to have 2 screens? I personally prefer having 2 screens because you can have your PowerPoint show on the auxiliary screen or on the screen that's not right in front of you, and you can have the presenter view on the screen that's right in front of you. So again, you go to the Slideshow tab, you go to the Setup Slideshow, and have Presented by a Speaker full screen, and also click on Presenter View. Now you do have to set up which monitor you want the show to be on. And my monitor one happens to be my laptop monitor, which is to my left side. I have another monitor in front of me. So I'll say, okay, so that will be set up. And now I'm going to hit from beginning. And you can only see part of the screen here. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller because I'm not sharing my entire screen. As you can see, I have this over here. I could resize things if I wanted to. So I'm going to resize this a little bit. Let me first just make it narrower. There, okay. So resize it so it works for what you're doing. I'm trying to grab the top here, maybe make this a little shorter. And I'll bring my zoom over here. Again, I'm not even showing you my entire monitor. I've made it a little bit smaller. What you now see in front of you is you would have your presenter view where you can see the current slide on the left and then upcoming slides or animations on the right along with your presenter notes. So you can click through that and you're going to see what's happening here. You can even see the animations coming up. I get to see what the next animation is. What you're not seeing is the PowerPoint show, which is on the screen that I am not sharing. Now, when it comes to sharing the PowerPoint, you have to actually select what you want to share. Now, as you can see, where'd the share button go? Well, this is so small that I'm going to have to go to share here. But if you have it a little bit bigger, I would say have it big enough that you're able to share. And you see that share button because it does make it easier. So you click on the share button. And the first thing you have to do is select the content you want to share. You do not want to share the presenter view. You could pick screen 1, or I usually pick the PowerPoint slideshow. You select your content, and then you can have this all set up. You could be starting your presentation. And then when you're ready, all you have left to do is the blue share button. Unless you have sound, then you'd have to click on sound if you're sharing sound. But then I click on that, and if you want to verify what you're sharing, you can click on the drop-down arrow, and you can see that I am sharing the PowerPoint show. Now, off screen was the video, because again, I'm not sharing my entire screen here. So if there were more than one person, you can resize this. You can change your view if you want the gallery view to see everybody. So in a nutshell, that is how it works.